Apparently there was a reporter at the time that said, if Truman wins this election, I'll eat my hat. And he said it publicly and put it in his paper. And so he had to eat his hat. And the way he did it was he got a chemist to dissolve the hat in sodium hydroxide, which is lye or drain cleaner. Breaks up hair clogs, and if his hat was made of felt, that's basically hair. And then neutralize it with hydrochloric acid, and then he just had to drink a whole bunch of salt water with his hat dissolved in it.
Wow.
You gotta know your stuff and test it carefully to make sure you get it close enough to neutral to be safe. Incidentally, here's human blood. It's just slightly on the base side at 7.4.
But nothing would happen to us if we drank real human blood, would it?
You digest it. A lot of what we drink is acidic, like here's apple juice. Even milk is slightly toward the acid side at 6.6. If your body doesn't adjust and keep your blood pH the same, then you do get sick because hydrogen and hydroxide ions will react. They'll change chemical bonds on other substances, and that can mess up your body's functions. So in our blood and other fluids, we have chemicals called buffers that can stabilize pH by picking up extra hydrogen if it's there, or they can release hydrogen if there's not enough around. So little changes in your blood pH, the buffers will adjust it for you. Other pH questions? All right. Let's go ahead and take a break here, and then we'll pick up with chemicals in cells and what it means for something to be organic.